Hello, hello, hello. Just making sure, guys, that we are definitely live. It shows up here on StreamYard that we are live and we are back. It's a Saturday, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 123rd episode of the G3 podcast. And ano ba to? I think alam nyo na, it's Deadpool and Wolverine season. Kumbaga, ano na to, para ito yung parang tandem of a lifetime, 'di ba? It's been teased by Ryan Reynolds in the multiple Deadpool films. Nakita natin, I mean nagkasama naman sila technically sa X-Men Origins Wolverine movie, but yeah, ngayon like this is like a fever dream for everyone and I know medyo late na kami ng konti kasi nirelease siya last week. But then we'll still be watching it tomorrow as a group, as G3. And yeah, let's see. Pag-uusapan natin yung history ni Deadpool and ni Wolverine. And kumbaga yung mga iconic tandems, di ba? Like, alam na natin yun eh. Batman and Robin, Tom and Jerry, SpongeBob and Patrick, Rick and Morty. And in the world of comic books, there are duos that made a landmark to readers and young, old, and Deadpool Wolverine fans. And then naging part na rin sila, 'di ba, ng parang modern pop culture. So, tonight, the panel will be talking about these two. And syempre, dahil may mga nangyaring mga hindi inaasahan, we'll have a special G3 episode just for you guys. And stick around and makilalaman nyo yan right about now.
Welcome to the G3 podcast. We're going to be talking about everything geeky and nerdy in between comic books, toys, video games, movies, you name it, we got it.
You're tuned in to the loudest, craziest, and most excited bunch of geeks and nerds on this side of the planet. You're about to dive into everything nerdy and geeky in between.
This
is the G3 podcast. Gamers, geeks, and good times.
Yun! And yun mga kaibigan. Grabe. Dalawa lang tayo, no? Siyempre, si Lala, which is on audio, will be joining us as well. And,
Hello!
yan, may hello. Pero, yun nga, it's fairly new. Dalawa lang kami ni Notch dito sa episode. And, hindi sanay. And yan si Lala sa background. Ayan, kumakaway-kaway. Ayan. But guys, again, we'll be here. We'll still be doing the episode. And it's a very special episode because I think this is the first time na gagawin natin to, Notch. Tama ba?
Oo, first time to.
Yan.
Kasi first time din tayo, dalawa lang.
Notch, gusto ko malaman yung ano. Andiyan si Lala, okay. Pero saling
Wala pala
kasi
si
walang
Dana
camera.
pala dyan. Oh.
Saling ket-ket yan, walang camera yan eh. So,
Ba yan?
bibigay lang yan ng mga anecdotes, mga ganyan. Pero, andyan, she's there. Ayan. Masama nung tingin sa akin, putek. Pero dito malalaman, Notch, yung tandem natin, no, on how good we are if tayo lang dalawa at wala yung
Tama.
yung
Mga asungat.
mga ng mga tao sa G3, mga
Mga
irrelevant.
kwenta!
Oo, mga irrelevant yun sila sa G3.
Oo,
Tayo
irrelevant.
talaga yung parang mga pinakapugi, mga pinakasikat. Di ba?
Tayo lang talaga kailangan.
Oo,
I
tayo
think.
lang.
100
G2
views.
Oo, dapat G2 na lang eh. Dalawa lang tayo. G3 kasi tatlo tayo nila.
G3. G2 and a half. G2.5 kasi audio lang yun.
2.5. But yeah, it's Deadpool and Wolverine season. It was released last week. I think 22, tama o 26?
27, di ba 27?
27 ba? Basta last week, ano na natin last week. Ayan. So last week, pag-usapan na natin in passing, PGDX happened. Para lang in conjunction dun sa previous episode natin, how was PGDX, guys? Simulan natin sa Notch.
Grabe ako na-enjoy ko yung PGDX. It was
ESGS, sorry, ESGS.
ESGS?
Tangina na neto ni Notch, gumawa ng show notes, mali-mali. Ano ba yan, Notch? Ay, Rene? PGDX.
Wala nang ESGS this year, guys, pero PGDX meron. Last year, hindi ako nakapunta sa PGDX, kaya yung nakapunta nun eh. Pero this year,
Wala ka ba?
Wala ako last year. Wala ako last year.
Oo, ako, si Rene, at yung mga ni Mike lang yung kasama, yung dalawang atabs ni Mike. Oo. Alright.
Pero this year, nagulat ako kasi grabe, na-enjoy ko siya dahil ang daming pwedeng makita. As in, hindi ako mapakaling palakad-lakad. Aside from, naghahanap ako ng mga taong makakilala ko, di ba? Pero hindi ako, tumitingin ako ng mga indie games, nakapag-try ako. I was excited for a few. Tapos, alam mo yun, marami talaga. I looked at the schedules sa Tokyo Game Show. Sana nga Taiwan Game Show.
Taiwan Game Show. Baka naman.
Baka naman. So ako, na-enjoy ko yun. It was really unique. And it's definitely a gaming show, gaming event talaga.
Like gaming at its core. No,
Gaming at its core.
Like gaming at its core. Ikaw, Lala, how was PGDX?
Lumapat sa base at pinadala ang bola kapares doon.
Sama mo kaya si Lala doon sa camera.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pag kompleto na yung teams, balik dito na hindi pwedeng mahulog ang bola. Ang team na
Sorry, guys,
si Lala, nakamute, sorry. Ito kasi, Notch, kasi dito kami natutulog sa office sa PC room. Tiyan mo yung
malamig.
bed namin nandyan sa baba. Ayan, kasi malamig.
Okay, gets.
So, hindi niya ma-move yung chair niya dito sa tabi ko. So,
Kasi nakaharang yung aso namin.
nakaharang din yung dalawang aso sa dadaanan. So,
Yung mga aso talaga na yan, no?
Sarap ng tulog eh. Sana all.
Sana all.
Pero ayun, sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa PGDX. I mean, dami kong na-loot. It's been a while since I looted a lot. Ang
Wala
dami
kang trabaho,
pinamili.
no? Wala kang trabaho nun, no? Galing. First time.
Oo nga. Wala naman akong trabaho lagi eh. Char. Pero ayun, nag-enjoy naman ako kasi ang daming learning experience and then yung mga games, like mga indie games, and then, yeah, yun lang.
Okay. Diba to?
Aba.
Okay,
So yun, for me naman, my PGDX experience was a blast since I hosted the Lupon booth. Ang dami ko rin, actually, it was the first event na may trabaho ako, but at the same time, na-enjoy ko. I mean, nakapag-ikot-ikot ako. Kasi dun sa hosting ko, medyo mahaba-haba yung break. Like, I have like 1 hour breaks every 2 hours. So like, may 1 hour ako na pwedeng mag-ikot, meet people, diba? So, it was a really fun event. Kulang lang ang upuan. Next year, pwede mas madaming upuan.
Nakita ko, natutulog ka na sa gilid.
Natulog na ako sa stage, sa gilid ng stage. Yun. Kaya parang gusto ko ng mas marami pang mauupuan lang para sa mga taong may gout.
Tama.
Kasi mahirap kasi yun na, dapat gout-friendly yung mga convention
Yung mga tao may gout talaga na yun, mga special talaga.
Kasi syempre, dapat nga i-push natin sa gobyerno na yung may mga gout counted as PWD. PWG. Persons with gout.
Persons with gout.
para ma-enjoy. Siyempre, may ika-ika ka, di ka na makalakad, di ka pa ba PWD, di ba? Dapat, mamagana
naman,
nangangamote na yung paa mo, di ba? Siyempre, that's
kulang
a
na lang sa'yo nung event, Kulang na lang sa'yo, cane, pati camera.
Yun yung pinakaayaw kong combination sa event. Gout, tungkod, camera. Pwedeng gout, camera, gout, tungkod, pero wag lang yung trifecta kasi iba na yun eh. 'Di ba? Iba na yung dating.
Iba na yung dating.
Yeah. So let's talk about how was your week after like yung recovery mo sa PGDX. How was your week?
Oh man, work has been riding my ass. Pero alam mo, sa totoo lang, being part of the graveyard shift family. Ano siya,
Ayun.
it was, it's tiring kasi puyat ka lagi. Pero at the same time, you have a lot of free time. I mean,
Laro ka, no?
no. It's about yung tipong bago ka mag-work, ang haba ng araw mo.
Oo.
Ayun yung nakita ko. Kasi, ako, usually nagigising ako mga 1 o'clock. So, from 1
ng
o'clock,
hapon.
tanghali.
Tanghali.
So, from 1 o'clock until 8 o'clock, wala, idle time kayo.
Yun nga eh. Pero like yung ano mo, nakakatulog ka naman ng parang full 8 hours, mga ganun.
Oo,
like,
kanina.
like yung sleep, kumbaga yung parang na-reverse lang yung sleep schedule mo.
Yeah.
Kasi narinig ko sa iba na parang yung mga graveyard shift, parang di sila nakakatulog after work. Tapos parang late na sila ng hapon natutulog.
Actually, mahirap yung adjustment. Kasi nung mga unang beses, nahirapan din ako matulog eh. Pero alam mo, lately, right after work, higa lang ako, wala, antukin na ako. Nod lang ako ng My Hero Academia.
Yun. Hoy, rinig ko, tapos na yung man ganun ha, tapos na yun.
Oo nga eh! Kaya pinagkasabay ko na yung dalawa.
And so, gusto tanungin si Lala kasi I was gone the majority of the week. How was your week without me?
Okay lang.
Sanay na.
Sanay na, yeah, of course, sana naman. Pero yun kasi, wala yung tagaluto ko sa bahay, so boring yung pagkain ko.
I think order siya ng order.
Ay,
Ganun.
hindi
At saka kung ano yung mabilis lutuin. Diba?
Mga prito.
Hindi, like, nagluluto siya ng salmon, ganun. Mga ganong klase. So, kumbaga,
Grabe ah. Salmon ah.
salmon. Kasi mabilis naman kasi lutuin yung salmon, di ba? It's a very delicate fish na parang mga 2 minutes lang luto na. Ganun.
Pero buti nga behave yung mga aso namin. Kaya Jazz lang ata hindi. Pero yung first day na umalis si Jazz, si Wookie, laging nakabantay sa door.
Ay, gano'n.
Nasa na yung tatay ko.
Mabilis lang, kalimutan ako agad the next day.
Ilang araw ka nga ba sa Malaysia? O nga, by the way, kamusta yung Malaysia mo?
Ayun. To let everyone know, I attended Malaysia Blockchain Week as part of the Yay Technologies team. It's for work, technically. So, I was at Malaysia from July 30 to yesterday. So, 2. So, ano yun? Alam mo, di ba, PGDX? Isang araw na pahinga. And then, Malaysia ulit. So, it's a fun experience. I met people. I love good food. But,
Sarap, diba?
pag umabot sa point na yung lasa at amoy ng kinakain mo, same lang din sa mga tao na nakakasalamuha mo, it will like ayoko nang kumain ng anything like anything na may galanggal, anything na may sambal, alam mo yun, anything na medyo spicy like curry, di ba? Okay lang yung manghang na may chili oil eh. Pero alam mo yung anghang na yung herbs.
Galing sa sambal. Talaga
sa sambal
No.
at galanggal. Kasi talaga ito was the first experience. I know anghit. I know yung aasim. I know amoy ng putok. Pero, dude, it's no disrespect. I think it's the food that they eat.
Definitely. Pati yung mga damit na sinusuot nila. Kasi syempre, sa Malaysia, they're all clothed up kasi nga Muslim, di ba? Yung texture kasi, o yung material na ginagamit dyan, it's silk. Mostly silk. Ang silk kasi, pag naiinitan or hindi siya breathable basically.
Kumakapit
Hindi siya
talaga.
breathable. 8 years ako na sa Brunei, pare. It's literally similar. It's very, very similar to Malaysia. Pagkain, people, linis, lahat pare-pareho. So, ako naiintindihan ko yung sinasabi mo.
And then to the point na as in, nagiging kaamoy ko na din sila. Diba?
Hindi pa ba?
I'm being part, syempre, gano'n naman to, sobrang linis ko na tao, pero grabe ka naman.
Ba't malinis naman sila?
And then like the smell, diba? Nagiging katulad ko na sila. And there are
Iba-iba.
multiple times na napagpagkamalan talaga akong lokal. As in like people walking straight up.
Eh, may
speaking
bigote
to
ka,
me
may
in
balbas
Malay.
ka, di ba?
Diba? So kumbaga, like I belong. Like sobrang welcoming, I belong. Diba? Na
Rinig
parang
ko
hindi
nga
ako
medyo mataas ka
inuusgahan.
ngayon eh. Rinig ko medyo matangkad ka.
Matangkad ako, yeah.
Malilit na yung taga Malaysia.
There are a lot of people shorter than me, so that's like I felt superior. Nasa maling bansa ako, guys. Hindi ako pandak, nasa maling bansa lang ako. Okay? So, goods. So bago umabot sa ganyan yung topic natin, we're gonna talk about Deadpool, syempre, and Wolverine and their history. So, quick question, was there a Marvel movie that you liked after Avengers Endgame?
Was there a Marvel movie after Avengers Endgame?
Walang muna.
Go.
Here's the thing. I mean, attack me if you want, but I think the most decent, ito na lang, hindi ko, like, the most decent one I watched na lang after Endgame was Thor Love and Thunder.
Oh, well, yeah. That's true.
It was like, kumbaga, they're all not good, they're all bad, right? But the most decent is Thor Love and Thunder.
Oy, teka lang, may sinabi si Trixer. No, Spider-Man does count. Yun lang talaga para sa, well, aside from Love and Thunder, pero para sa akin, that doesn't count. Yung Spider-Man, it counts to hell, man.
It really, I think it does count.
does.
Just the fact that, again, it's still part of the continuity kasi, di ba?
And
So,
fan service, baby.
Yep. True. But
Naiyak ako dun.
ayoko sabihin kasi Spider-Man eh. So like I think the most decent one is Thor Love and Thunder. Close second is Spider-Man, yung Spider-Man. Yung Spider-Man na yung Across the Multiverse ang hindi magka-count.
Oh, no,
That
no, of course
one
not.
doesn't count. Oo. Kasi
It's not part of the MCU. Oh.
It's more on an epilogue right after Endgame. So para siyang continuation, ganun ba
Yeah,
yung tinutukoy mo, Trix? Na parang what happened after? Well,
But isn't it like that? Kasi Love and Thunder.
no. It was
Ano
still,
ba yung Love and Thunder?
di ba yung lumipad na sila, di ba na sumama na si Thor sa Guardians, and then pumayat na si Thor, di ba? Like, it was just exactly like that. Like, anything after, like yung Multiverse of Madness, di ba?
Yeah. Exactly. Well, ako, yung Multiverse of Madness is okay. It's okay. It's fun. It's fun going through different multiverses and seeing Reed Richards, the real Reed Richards.
The real
Yung talagang
Richards.
totoo, si John
Naging
Krasinski.
spaghetti.
Naging spaghetti.
Naging
John Krasinski,
spaghetti.
man. And sobrang saya lang nung nakikita mo sila Professor X, si Agent Carter as Captain America. Alam mo yun, masaya.
Oo.
It's fun. I didn't really like the whole thing though. I don't think naging horror siya. They depicted Wanda as a very scary person. Well, she is. The comic she is. Pero not like Multiverse of Madness. Iba yung Multiverse of Madness. It was like,
Multiverse of Madness was on another level.
agree. I mean,
Like,
they
I don't
would
know,
have
it villainized her so much. Like it villainized like Wanda so much.
although we all know she started as a villain, and this is out of the MCU. Started as a villain, brother of the mutants, tapos naging Avenger siya, and then for those that read House of M, the art,
Yeah.
she wasn't the villain, but she was considered the villain there because it was all because of her. So I was actually kind of looking forward to that. Pero it didn't happen. Kasi nga, House of M had the X-Men as their main team. Not really the Avengers. Kasi it's more for the mutant kind stories than anything else. Pero I was kind of looking forward to it kasi it somehow got that sense na parang nakita mo si Professor X eh. I wouldn't be surprised if after nung Multiverse of Madness biglang wala ng mutants. Pero of course, hindi pa nila napapakilala yung X-Men,
X-Men.
Miss Marvel was still not
The
a mutant.
Marvels, yeah.
Oh, the Marvels.
Alright,
yes.
eto, speaking of movies that starts with M, and napag-usapan natin yung Spider-Man. So yesterday, sa in-flight movie, yung in-flight entertainment system ng eroplano, di ba? Madam Web was there.
Ew.
I shit you not.
Yeah.
20 minutes into the movie, natulog ako.
Dude, hindi ko na pinanood. Meron sa
Nakatulog
Netflix.
ako. Like, as in, it helped, I didn't even know, it helped me sleep. The way it was so boring.
Remember,
I was like,
yung movie ng Madam Web, there was no Spider-Man.
there was no, and then the freaking, ano yun? If you take on responsibilities, greater power will come. Like,
Labo yun. Dude!
what?
Dude!
Ha? Binalik.
Labo.
And then was the Ben there, Uncle Ben? And was he the Uncle Ben? Kasi Ben Parker eh. Ben,
Ganito, if we're going to connect it to the MCU or even the comics, Marvel 616. Basta Earth 616. There is a Ben Parker in a multiverse that lived. There's also a Peter Parker that died. That's where kaya yun yung universe ni Gwen Stacy as Gwen Spider, diba? So that's the universe. Ang weird kasi dito sa Madam Web, she was instrumental in helping Spider-Man reach out to every Spider-Man in every
universe.
She was very instrumental. And hindi lang yun, there wouldn't be a Madam Web without a Spider-Man. As in wala. So, ang weird lang, they're going to cut the knowledge of Spider-Man out of that freaking movie. Tapos, gagawin, alam mo, ang weird, gagawin mo, si Julia Carpenter, yung naging mainstay. Gets ko, Julia Carpenter, okay, fine. Okay naman. Pero, again, there will be no Spider-Women without Spider-Man.
Like, na-weirdoan din ako dun sa tatlong Spider-Women. Like, akala ko ba like lumabas yung parang powers nila na parang naging superhero team sila dun. It was like right at the end. Kung kailan nagising na nila ko na parang pinakita. Oo. It was right at the end. I was like, okay. Like, fine. Okay, next movie. Nanood ako ng Kung Fu Panda 4. Yun na lang yung ginawa ko dun sa aeroplano.
Mas okay pa yun, no? Mas okay
pa yun. So ayun, Lala, was there a Marvel movie that you liked after Avengers Endgame? I think same lang yung sagot niya because the only Marvel movie she watched after Endgame was Thor Love and Thunder. Yun lang.
Kailangan ko panoorin ulit yun. Nakalimutan ko na siya. Although, I remember dumating si Thor as, who was that? Sino yung collab team niya doon?
Lady Thor.
Oo, naging Lady Thor siya, diba?
Forgot the name. Guys, please, nakakalimutan namin. Jane Foster. There we go.
Jane Foster, there.
Yeah. So it was sa comic story din may cancer siya. The more she taps on the power of Thor, the more na bumibilis yung cancer. She died. Yeah, she died. She died. So it was okay. It was full of memes, but I think yung Love and Thunder kasi that's why it was so not a serious movie, but because I think it was told at the point of view ni Korg.
Right.
Diba, because Korg was telling the story to those little things na parang katulad niya. So I think parang medyo naging OA yung pagkukwento, including like the friggin' goat memes, yung meme goats.
Yeah. Pero I mean, seeing Lady Thor was amazing, man. I never thought na lalabas siya sa MCU.
And then yung LQ ni Thor at ni Mjolnir.
Ay siya lapitan, no?
Ay siya lapitan ni Mjolnir. Kasi nandiyan na nga si Stormbreaker. It was weird. Yeah, I kind of enjoyed that movie. But moving on to this conversation, would like to remind the audience in the comments, if you watch Deadpool and Wolverine, please don't spoil us or don't spoil the movie for everyone watching. Please lang. Ayan. So now, sa twist ng episode na to, we will actually be doing a game night with me and Lala as backseat gamers. Si Notch yung maglalaro. We'll be watching the classic 2013 Deadpool game. Notch,
Yeah,
ready
yeah.
ka na ba, Notch?
I-share ko na. Let's go.
Woo! Yan!
Let me know pag ano. Let me know kung naka-share na.
Yan, nakashare na. Let's go.
Ay, wait. Teka. Hindi ko ata na-share yung audio eh. Share ko yung audio.
Sige.
Yan, there you go.
Share mo yung audio para ano.
Okay, here we go. Alright,
Yun!
subtitles para basa ng lahat. Okay, so I'm gonna be playing this with my controller intact. I finished this game before, and I played the hell out of it. Very dead. At siguro, kung gusto mo maglaro ng Deadpool game, don't go for the Ultimate Alliance games. This is the definite Deadpool game. Definite. Okay, let's start.
Yeah. Let's go! Hindi ko alam kung ba to?
Hindi masyado. Teka lang, ha? Hindi masyado, pero okay naman siya. I mean, for what it is, it's yung lengthness of it. Ayaw na utol mo.
It mocks you for playing it on easy.
Narinig niyo yung audio?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Hinaan ko, ha?
Ay, wala. Hindi. Yung menu Notch, narinig namin. Pero yan, hindi. It was weird.
Talaga? Wait,
Pagka-drawing lang, huhulaan ng kape. 1 point, pagkahulaan ng title, +1.
Let's just get through this lang.
Yeah. The answer is no.
Ng telepono ko.
You know, dickhead.
You know, dickhead.
But yes, of course. Genius, just genius. Explosive personality wins.
Ayan, ayusin ko lang yung audio, guys, ha? Parang alam ko na kung ano nangyari. Hold on.
Food trip na si Jazz.
Wait lang. Okay. Tapos... Okay. See if you can hear this.
Okay. Yan na.
Naghang, putik.
Oh no, Notch, naghang.
Naghang yung game, hold on. Reset. You're not responding. Okay, naghang yung game, guys. Hold on. Ulitin natin. Sino nga ba yan? Ayan, okay. Should be good now. Nakita nyo ba kanina?
Yeah, kita namin kanina.
Ito.
Yan, you can hear the menu.
Alright, let's go. Umpisa natin sa umpisa ulit, ha, para marinig nyo yung dialogue din.
Yan.
Okay.
Yan, nakita namin.
Deadpool, it's Logan. Got your message. And for the last time, no. You cannot take our Blackbird out for a joyride. Stop calling about it.
Hey, Deadpool, it's Domino. So I got another contract for you if you're interested. The coin is good, so just let me know. Oh, and regarding that other thing you texted me about, I can't. I mean, it was just supposed to be that one time, and anyway, just call me.
Deadpool, it's Peter Della Penna from High Moon Studios. You know, the guy you kept calling
Sobrang
dickhead when you cornered me in
daming
the parking lot the other
fourth
night.
wall breaks.
Anyway,
itong
looked over
game.
your proposal. Not gonna pretend
And
I
I think the
understand
movie is
any
a
of it,
big fourth
but the
wall
answer
break
is
din,
no. We're
Because
gonna
Oo,
pass
totoo.
your big game
the game
idea.
they're talking about is the game.
Is the game.
That
Exactly.
was our chance to be in our own video game. Maybe we shouldn't have.
And for
written
those
the
who enjoy
proposal
Deadpool
in
humor,
crayon.
definitely ang dami nito.
Relax.
Plus, yung action,
You know he's gonna
medyo
call back.
action-packed talaga siya.
Yeah.
Don't
because
expect,
of the-
you know, don't expect Elden Ring
Peter.
levels.
You know,
It's not a AAA game, guys, pero
remember when I called
I mean,
you earlier?
again,
and told you
Deadpool
no?
humor, spot
Such a
on.
joker. Because I meant yes, of course. The new proposal you sent over this morning went off with a big bang in the office today. Genius. Just genius. So, sum it up. Congratulations. Let's make a video game.
See, once again, our explosive personality wins the day. High five! No high fives. We're voices in our head.
I've got my top designers banging away on a script right now. As soon as it's ready, we'll send it right over.
Script?
Boom.
This is bullshit. A
Yeah,
script?
there you go.
Like some dingus word writer is gonna know better than me how to show how amazing I am.
Amazing is more Spider-Man's thing, really.
Yeah, right. What's so amazing about that, geek?
Okay. Get up off your
Click.
ass.
Hey, what's that? You guys tracking my every move now? But I haven't even accomplished anything in this game yet. And there's another one. Oh, so it's gonna be one of those games.
Ibang klase talaga. Alright, so we're gonna explore his apartment, like he says.
I think may
Let's
mga
see
ano,
what's
parang
behind
if you look
door
at his
number one.
ass, If you look at his ass for so long, like may ano siya, may reaction.
Come on, maybe do this, please. By the long face. She always looks so surprised to see us.
If this game had a shame meter, it'd be full right now.
Oh, wait.
We're not gonna put our penis in that, are we?
Dude, this game is an R16 one, I'm sure. Use the internets.
Yeah. Anong gagawin niya sa internet?
You know why I love the internet? Because it's just like me.
Vulgar, combative, and contradictory.
Overflowing with perversion and stupidity? Yes, and yes. Ooh, new Syspop videos. Hey, Brad! How do I update my status to erect? Another friend request from Ryan? Doesn't this guy ever
Another
get
girl from
the hint?
Ryan. Doesn't this
How
guy
do I
get her?
update my status to bored shitless?
Sobrang daming dialogue dito.
Oh, man, this cat video is hilarious!
Ano, basta kaya siya maaabot. Cat videos.
Okay, let's see if there are any new Merc job postings.
There we go.
Status update.
Just had
Just
the best
had
chimichanga
the
from
best
Samantha's.
chimichanga from Samantha's Tacos. My toilet bowl approves.
My toilet bowl approves. The age of
Hello,
mice.
friend requests. Oh, people love me. Duh.
Tignan natin kung
Time to
ano.
update my
saan.
resume. Ooh, I haven't cyberstalked Siren today yet. Yeah, it reminds me of an old point and click
May
game.
achievement ka daw na ano, na makukuha.
How about I
kapag
show you one of my
yung
Deadpool
sa
comics?
options, yung volume,
Instead.
yung slider, bababa mo, may achievements daw.
Ah, talaga? Tingnan natin.
Hindi ako makalapit.
Dialogue.
Anyone? Dialogue ba?
Well, oh yeah, because you did not get it on Steam. Probably.
Ah, yeah. I got it. Yun lang. Sabi ko, I got it.
No.
Check your loadout.
Gun boner! Now this is what it's all about. Look at all this fine weaponry. Starting to get the feeling that no love was put into my apartment.
Ito yung costume ng X-Men.
X-Men. Yan nga, ano yan. May X-Men.
Alright, let's leave the room. Alright, dito tayo.
Saan ba dapat?
Makeup.
Nolan! Hey, what's up, buddy? We're making a game about
Si
me.
Nolan.
Gotta have you do the VO, man. I mean, see, here's
yeah,
the thing.
Nolan North.
People tell me we
Oh,
sound
siya yung
alike.
VO eh.
That sounds awesome, Deadpool. Listen, I had a different take on it. Maybe we just make you, maybe it's an alternative type of Deadpool. It's somebody that's like, forget the boobs. Let's just go for pecs. Pecs and biceps. Forget girl. Why don't you just contact my agent for the booking and we'll see what we can do.
He's so in.
Look, Deadpool, I got another call coming in. Got to take it. Good luck with the game, though.
Yeah, well, fuck you, Nolan.
Dog.
So, how's the ball licking coming along? Red Rocket! Red Rocket! You just sit tight, and I won't have to shoot you.
Yan.
Pero ang daming pwedeng gawin dito sa game. I mean, immersion-wise, it's not all there, pero ang daming interaction ni Deadpool with different kinds of things.
Obviously, the prop guys never got around to making me an awesome guitar.
You'll see his wacky
Oh.
side.
Wonder what's in here.
Make a stink pickle or kill germs.
Ooh, yeah. There we go. Now we're talking. Much more realistic. Fine. You asked for this. Hundreds of... How? Oh, I gotta love the ones that make you sweat.
Kulit eh.
Walang linis eh. Ay, kill germs. Ay, kill germs.
Hugas.
Why would anybody want to see that? I sure as hell don't. Why do they think I wear a goddamn mask?
Hope this game doesn't try to do the whole tragedy behind the comedy thing.
Pero wala man.
What's this?
Peer pressure for me to
Okay,
drink
let's see.
or no.
Diba? So, inumin mo nga lahat.
Wala. It magically, replenishes the beer.
Magically appears.
Enough with the damn beer. Healing factor won't let me get drunk anyway.
Galing eh.
Damn beer.
All right.
Ang laman.
Bet you thought there'd be some kind of payoff with the empty cup. Nope. I love the smell of pancakes in the morning.
Ano ba? Gusto pancake.
Smells
Daming
like
pancake.
victory.
Kahapon lang.
Ang dami
Putik yan.
pancake.
I'm not really hungry, but all right. Huh. Really didn't. Bitches.
Hindi niya makain. May takain niya.
Oh, in fairness, naubos oh.
Yeah.
How does it go
Like
through?
a cheap outsourced prop. Let me guess. I just ate the leftover pizza from
Oh
all
my
that
God.
developer
Ewan mo lang.
crunch time. Am I right?
Ewan mo lang sa sabihin.
You last second schmucks.
Yan.
Ubus mo yung tubig.
Hey, player, sit your ass down and watch the news.
Ano yan eh? Yung parang siyang
Look into the
experience
want
mo.
ads.
Or progress.
Deadpool,
progression.
branded as both hero and villain. Deadpool was once a badass mercenary named Wade Wilson. After being recruited
Yan.
into the Weapon X program,
Konting
Wade was
history
subjected to experiments that gave him awesome regenerative powers and drove him batshit crazy. Today, the Merc with a mouth travels the globe in search of fortune and chimichangas.
Yun, I mean, part ng topic natin,
Click.
like, yung origin story. So
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
his origin story.
You think the player knows anything about us?
They did buy the game.
To know us is
Ay, sorry. Mag-call na naman.
Thanks for calling High Moon Studios. Please hold.
Go to High Moon for deals on all our great games. See the trailers that will get you excited to blink down.
whatever, High Moon. Talk later, I'm sure.
Ito kung pwede. Ito may nap time.
Time.
Yeah, food coma.
Yeah, sige.
Our speech bubbles don't appear above our head when we sleep, right?
Are you kidding? No. Ooh, that would be embarrassing.
Wala mo sasabihin.
Very Deadpool yung humor, di ba?
Yun nga eh.
Oh, sexy girlfriend.
As in, food coma's the reason Deadpool didn't get infected during
Damn
the
it,
Marvel
Cable.
Zombies run.
Wearing the same dress as me at this ball.
Major fashion faux pas.
Not cool summers.
Not cool
Ate
summer.
so much Chinese food that he missed the apocalypse.
Ang kulit.
What? Kaya gisingin mo na nga siya.
Are you watching me sleep this whole time?
Freak.
May isa pa eh. I don't know where though.
Sa kwarto. Sa kwarto.
Do.
Baka. Baka sa kwarto.
Sa kwarto.
Sa isang room lang.
Yung bed. Try mo yung bed. Wala ba? Wala.
Wala eh. Got that already. Load out.
Ayan, yung gym. Wala. Parang gym.
Wala din. Anyway, tara. Start this shit.
Start this. Let's go.
Maybe we should get the door. Underwear?
Hey, yeah,
Are
I
you
want
trying
to
to say
stop already.
underwear?
No, I still want to play with my chick.
Hello, sir. I have a package.
So do I. Yoink. Package. Shit. As I suspected. Words. Everywhere. Lame.
We should read some of them.
Fine. Scene 1. Dark and stormy night. Deadpool is contracted to kill media mogul Chance White, who is blah, 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 dee blah, blah. Don't need that. Edit that.
Ah, crayons. Very classy.
Why are we trying to kill what's-his-face? Who cares? I'm making art here. Behold!
Not sure the player understands our thinking
Hey,
yet.
player, just go with it. We're about to change your fucking life. Bring the noise!
Bring the noise! Alright, there you go.
Yeah, there we go. We are in the game. Let's go.
Ah, a sewer. How quaint.
Okay,
does
so
anybody
the
remember how
game
to
starts
play?
off as parang
I never
training
read the
muna
manual.
for the
can't
actions
read.
and all that.
Yes,
So
I can.
you can.
I only play PC games.
Hey,
That-
there's some text.
Ito yung parang
Player, read that shit. Do whatever High Moon says.
heavy attack.
And then, light attack.
A is jump.
Ah, sweet. Jump button.
Double jump.
Light attacks. Check. Heavy attacks. Got it. I command goons to spawn so we can test
Flashy siya
our
for
math
a
skill.
2013 game.
Back when action games didn't provide the main characters.
Hey, mix our light and heavy attacks together and see what happens.
Oh,
Enemies
nice.
can't hurt us while we are teleporting.
Can't hit what isn't there, baby.
Parang ito yung dodge.
You know
Ba
what's
sa
better
movie,
than
di ba,
not
yung
getting
teleport
hit?
niya na ability.
Hitting back.
It showed sa 2, pero hindi masyado hindi ganong focus. Kasi for those who read the
Press the
comics,
button when you see icon above the enemy's head.
yung ability niya kasi came from Cable.
Okay, we get it. Buttons do stuff. Let's move on.
What did you have in
Booster.
mind?
Kasi
Besides
nakita ko
you
lang
two
na
schmucks,
nag-teleport na Deadpool
one
yung
crate,
sa X-Men
please.
Origins na
We don't talk about that.
teleport belt. Okay.
Bouncy Castle.
Whew. Sometimes it's the setup work that'll get you all tuckered out.
So, pwede ka
Bounce
tumalik pa na
house.
dito.
Check. Banana!
Boing,
Boing, boing,
boing,
wahoo!
boing.
Ayan,
Okay.
sa taas. Or...
I
Boing!
think it's a plot something. Anyway, let's go. Let's proceed.
Hey, we don't take fall damage, so go nuts. Ooh, an unsuspecting
No
bad
fall
guy.
damage.
Let's stealth kill him.
Yung stealth moves yun talaga.
Y or RT? Ooh.
That is in no way stealth.
In my game, you get points for killing baddies. Yeah,
Ito yung mga
and you
dead.
spend those points
Okay.
on cool
RT is the
upgrades
gun.
to make us more badass.
That is impossible.
Yeah, but it's called progression in games. A must-have. Hey, player, open up the upgrade menu and see what we can buy.
Oh, okay. There you go. So, marami din siyang, pwedeng bilhin.
Yung sword, ito yung sword. Damage.
Ito best we can. Puta, laki.
Ano naman?
Oo nga eh. Mala. Player upgrades. Increase health.
Wala din afford. Dito, alam mo na podcast.
The more
ito
bad
yung
guys we kill, the
podcast,
more
boss.
upgrades we can unlock and purchase with our points.
I like to spec my
podcast.
Deadpool for defense and healing.
Yeah, I like to
Bagong
spec my
version.
Deadpool for nougat and cream filling. And I don't think that's...
Nalaro mo naman ito, Jazz, before.
Yung first few parts lang. Kasi alam ko nalaro ko to sa com shop. Tapos naglo-load lang ako ng mga save file ng mga ibang tao.
Just to try it out.
Okay, class. Tap jump while jumping towards a wall to perform a wall jump.
Oh, nice.
Isa na-remember ko nun, yung nasa elevator siya na loading screen, tapos kumakanta siya. Yun na yata yun yung naalala.
If it were me, I'd chain wall jumps together to get higher.
Pati yung
Press the
moves
jump
niya,
button in
sobrang
midair to do a
Deadpool na
double jump.
Deadpool yung dating
It's
talaga.
awesome.
Laws of physics beat damn.
Loss of physics.
Oh, and hold the jump button to
Jump
mantle
and
up
hold A
ledges.
to
I think I need to make an entrance. It's time to go boom.
Lipad siya.
Phew! That's what happens when you mix C4 with a bean burrito. Now be honest. I'm not the only one with a little bit of shit in their pants right now, am I?
Okay. May counter din. The teleport is so fun to use. Pero hindi siya,
Can I go to high school with you?
unlimited. Parang you can use it for,
Security,
nauubos siya.
get off your duff and respond. I'll be in my penthouse. Don't let that clown get in here.
Penthouse, huh? Time to hop the elevators. Where should they be? Why are we here again? Aha! We're getting paid to off some billionaire douche nozzle.
That'd be media mogul Chance White.
Nice.
Ties to the mob, owns a private army, makes babies cry. Your classic easy to hate villain.
Elevator.
What are we doing again?
Elevators. Are you even paying attention?
Of course I am. Making sure you were.
Handa na ang lahat? Yep.
Deadpool talaga.
May healing factor.
Meron. Actually, Deadpool, similar. Not sure kung mas mabilis ba yung healing factor ng Wolverine or ni Dead.
Hindi,
Pero meron.
in-game. Dito sa in-game. May healing factor ba siya in-game?
I'm not sure. Please help. Max ammo. Motivate.
Kasi dun sa X-Men Origins Wolverine meron di ba? Yung nakikita mo nag-heal yung balat niya, yung katawan niya.
A healing combo augment. Get health for every 8 successful strike. So I guess meron siya. Pero it's not as prominent.
Alert! We are locking elevator access now. Troops should give me that. Listen, you little masked moron. Nobody comes into my house like this. I hope it was worth it.
The elevators are disabled. Oh, I know. Let's just get some chimichangas and wait for him to come downstairs.
Or we can find a way to shut down
Ang hirap lang kasi
to the
walang
entire
marker.
building.
Nasanay ka na sa marker.
That would force a system reset, bringing power back to the elevator.
Like this guy. We should keep him around.
Hindi, it's parang speech bubble siya.
Ano na yan?
Yung bipolar.
Oo, yung iba-iba niyang
Shooter!
Oh.
Shooter!
Calm
Kung
down.
merong
Shoot the red
control
box.
pa. LP.
On the other side of the gate. Are you sure you're paying attention?
Okay, gets.
Somebody get down there and shoot their clown!
I am not a clown's turn. Catch.
Okay yun. He's not yung target. Para may auto assist. May aim assist.
Meron.
Bullets. How convenient.
Wala kang healing factor.
2 extra
Dito?
slices for just $9.99.
Ayaw nga, no? Wala nga.
If I touch you, do you not bleed?
Oy, bumalik yung health niya eh.
Kanina sa dati.
Okay yan. Okay, delay.
May delay lang.
Hindi naman, natatanggal din yung damit niya.
Pansin mo, pag nadadamage siya.
Wala
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
Nope, wrong way.
So may nalang.
Upgrades.
Hindi ka mag-player upgrades na lang muna. Kaya upgrade mo ba? Wala pa.
Hindi.
25 pa.
Pwede natin hintayin. Lapit na eh.
My, what big generators you have.
Is that code?
Nah, innuendo. Innuendo.
Sobrang satisfying din yung
Wrong way again. Strike 2.
attacks. Bumabalik na.
Well. Kaya kapag ano.
Yun lang.
Alright, it makes sense.
Tinama.
Shake.
This is what I think it is. Jackpot! Ooh, scary. I'll bet those elevators work again. I'm so smart.
Which one of you pinheads shut down the damn power? Get down there and fix it!
Let's try something a little bit. The higher your combo, the faster
Wolverine
you can earn
is also
momentum to
here.
do awesome moves
Wala.
like that. We can get
Oh,
more
isa,
momentum
sampal
boosts by
niya.
upgrading our weapons.
Yun.
High combos mean more Deadpool points, which
Chances
mean
that
more
you get
awesome
Lost
upgrades. Got it.
combos, lost points.
Shake.
Okay, may combo.
This would go a lot smoother if my reputation preceded me.
I think you need to leave survivors for that to happen.
So, ayun lang. Yes, why,
Attack.
Just shoot him! How the hell do you fools keep missing?
Chancy, lay off your boys. They are hitting me. Just that I'm healing.
I'll switch to
Sick healing factor. Get used to it.
Switch soldiers ata.
Yeah, congratulations. You stabbed somebody.
No, 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 no.
I aim because I care.
Oh, shit.
Don't mind me. Just dying on my feet.
No! Tago ko muna. May gagikita na yung ribcage niya. Tingnan mo.
Pati pet.
Ano? Pati yung puwet.
Ay, heals, oh, heals.
Yeah, he heals. Okay, tara.
Ayun, pwede na tayo mag-ano. Mag-upgrade. More weapon upgrades, tol. Okay.
So, di mo siya ma-upgrade.
Ito, Crystal Cluster. Wala mo na.
Kulang pa, wala tayong pera no.
At wala ba? 25,000 pala yun.
Yan na lang.
Ano ba ito? Ayan, para mas maraming DP rewards.
Maraming pera. Sige. Sino ba?
Elevator eh. Oh, dito.
Balik ka dun sa kabila.
Kabila ba? There you go. Dito mga elevator. Oh, shit.
I hate waiting. Recharge gas.
Sure you can.
Bugbog eh.
Yeah, feeling pretty shitty.
Pero he is really quick. Anong game ang pwede mong i-compare dito? Medyo may similar.
No vanilla.
Trickster, ano daw? Combat is a set of art combat.
Well, yeah. Pero yung the counters not as satisfying.
Hey, this is my jam.
Ito yung sinasabi mo.
Remember this?
Crazy. I'm crazy for feeling so lonely.
Gagi. Mute. Yung Facebook.
I'm crazy. I'm crazy for
Well, tapos na.
This must be my stop. There's gotta be a way out of here. Think, Deadpool, think.
Galing eh, oh.
Movie solution to being stuck in an elevator in
You can
3,
basically see it
2,
healing
1.
up.
Wala.
Eureka! I'll shoot out the window.
Hello.
Kailangan
mabilis. Kailangan malapit yung boses sa mic.
Baka si Lala has been doing her catching up. We watched Deadpool 1, the first movie last night. Paralin mo yan. Yung window.
Yun, nice. Yung pala yun.
Well, I gotta get to the penthouse somehow. Hey, have you bought any upgrades lately? It's a down mode, no? Might be a good time. Same.
We need to go up.
Wall jump ka dyan ata, no? Dun sa kabila, sa may green.
Ito. Yeah, doon ka di pa malalaro to. Alam mo,
the bounce house is still
Hindi,
topped
nakita ko
up.
kasi yung green eh. It's like,
Of course it
parang, gamer, napag green, pwedeng
gamer sense.
Oo, gamer sense.
Hold B.
Keep him out of the newsroom.
Ooh, a TV studio.
I always thought we'd make a great reality TV show.
Chance White dies at the hands of super sex pot mercenaries.
Sorry, at 11.
Break out the heavy firepower. Stop this freak.
Delikado yung may mga baril.
Should have used the 5-eye.
Kill him.
Ito lakas ng bawas, ha? Okay.
It's not me. It's you.
File ka muna bago mo i-engage.
Got you now, dead.
Yun, so I can't say na... Oh, shit.
You think I'm afraid of a mercenary? I work
I
in
can't say na
television.
pala siyang Arkham Knight in terms of graphic combat.
Actually, no, eh, sabi ni Trickster.
Actually, yes. Pero kasi, I don't know, di ko alam eh. Mas, para sa akin, mas satisfying yung combat ng Arkham Knight. Oh, because of the
Come on up. My shark's hungry and
counter
my
mechanics.
shark that I own.
Ito, it's really just a hack and slash.
Look out!
Smoke. But it'll be
Again,
harder for you to see how awesome
can't
I am.
expect it
Heads
so
up.
much.
They're dropping in from the catwalks.
Yeah, no, it's 2013 game. So,
Agree.
Ready? Fight! And you gotta give me back.
Pero alam mo, playing the game, it makes me want to watch it. Na sobrang na-excite talaga ako para doon. Kaya maaga ako. Reinforcements.
reinforcements.
You're gonna want to have Doggy take a look at this.
Nakakainis mo ba yun? Ano wala akong magawa? Rocket.
Lalo na pag ano ka, madaming kalaban na melee din.
Oh!
Overwhelm ka.
Whatever next. Good for you.
Guard that exit. Don't let him escape or you're all dead men.
Yan naman nakakamiss yung ganito eh. Yung mga yung classic hack and slash lang.
Oh. Plus, you have Deadpool as a main character.
Oh, he has a lot of guns.
Classic God of War.
Oh, oo naman.
Kill this guy already. Kill him. He's getting too close.
Cut these guys some slack.
Masaya,
Try that.
actually, sobrang tama yung
Mustard with that?
example mo yun. Kasi, I think it's more God of War.
God of War, no?
Kasi ganitong ganito eh, diba? Yun yung happens na...
Ano, without the cinematic yung finisher. Kasi God of War may cinematic finisher siya.
Oo. Yung mga QTE. Sino? Ah, sino?
Because the shits can't do the job, I'm calling in my serious backup. Just all Deadpool until they get here. You think you're big time, Deadpool? You ain't shit. I've got dangerous friends. People who will end
Kasi ang dami pang kalaban.
your league now.
Given the caliber of the
Really
guys you throw
action
that
game.
down, you'll have to forgive my skepticism.
You look good on camera,
May mga
but you're
baril.
gonna look better dead.
Gold LP, over target to lock on.
Tago ka muna.
What? Mustard with that?
Shoot.
You said we had audition tape once, and didn't it
Oh, shit. Wala ba taguan? Puro bintana.
And cut. Moving on.
Kaso ba yung combo mo?
Yung mga tago kasi puro bintana yun nandun.
Bakit ka lalabas? Hindi pwedeng lumabas.
May reinforcements.
When you die, try to make it look good. I might just put it on the air.
No?
So when there come in, did you kill him?
So, where do we go from here?
Only one way to go. Up.
Playing with these things.
Yeah, the designer wouldn't have put them here if they weren't supposed to be played with.
Boys,
Wow! You can see my house from here.
Okay.
Hey, shoutout nga pala kay Boss, Boss Rafi. Miss ka na rin namin, Boss.
Whoa!
Oh!
Puta kala ko.
Muntikan.
Muntik na eh.
Holy shit! Someone could get hurt on this.
Ice, ice, baby.
Yep, back at him.
Hailer. Kailangan na matatanda.
Sana all, no?
Machine gun.
Headshot.
Wow, you are one lucky guy, because that would have taken most people's heads clean off.
Okay, heading na ba?
Health upgrade. Try mo nga yung health upgrade.
Yun!
Pwede na ba? Yun!
Pwede na. Tapos, konti na lang po.
Sige, yun na lang yung
Ito, cause enemies to bleed when struck with your sword.
Pwede rin.
Yeah, here, don't mind me, guys. Just here to steal your multi-million-dollar military-grade whirlybird.
Okay.
Sorry, I use humor to deflect my insecurities. Plus, I'm hilarious. So don't hate me.
Oh, understand.
What do you think? Sharp, right?
Saan tayo pupunta kayo?
Doon sa helicopter ata. Helicopter ata eh. Ikot mo.
Ayun.
I want him dead. Get Shark One off the ground and rip him to pieces.
Damn, they found the helicopter's on switch.
What, you can't hijack a chopper while it's flying around trying to turn you into shredded cheese?
You doubt our skills? Prepare to be amazed! I can't kill that chopper with my guns, but I can scare him.
He won't be. Yeah, good. Oh shit.
Low on energy, but full of vitamin C.
Lapit na. Bugbog eh, oh. Nakikita yung boxers niya DP rin.
If that hit you in the chest, I'm sorry. I am out of ammo.
Reload.
I need ammo.
Kailan mo ata.
Okay.
Pumulot ng bala.
Yeah, it's like a glove. Dude, these guns we have suck. That one doesn't suck,
But we don't have it.
we don't have it yet. I can't teleport yet. I need a bigger battery. Fly or die, asshole. Your choice.
You're gonna need both hands to shoot
Oh,
that
nice.
minigun.
Says who? I do stuff with one hand all the time. Hey, get to the right, my newly acquired pilot. I got some ammo to spend. You there.
Kaya nakatutok yung isang kamay niya sa baril niya sa pilot. Tapos yung kamay niya
Fly,
isa
boy,
sa
we got heat on our left. It's so loud I can barely hear myself think. I was thinking the same thing. What? What? We got company behind us. Make it so. Woo! We could do this all day.
Get Shark 2 airborne now! Shark 1 is compromised. Shark 2, blow it out of the sky!
Ito, limited din yung mga
Bad
kalaban.
feeling about this. Keep it steady, Dingus. Jeez, I can fly better than that.
Hey, gives me an idea.
No, wait.
Oh, yes!
Cannot fly.
Well, it is good to
Bakit
have
naman
a
siya? Hindi ko alam na binila mo pag binili.
Delusions?
Isa lang mo.
Sa isang dalawang
You know what else?
sa isang
Skills.
This might be a good time to buy some upgrades.
I think we can stop here.
Buy upgrades.
Ayun.
Oh.
So the game is super fun, guys. Again, this is a ano ba tawag dito? On the spot, last ditch effort to save this episode since people aren't available. And then napag-usapan lang din namin ni Notch na what if like laruin natin yung Deadpool na classic game and nakahanap kami ng source online. So it was again, we have to like put this out there. Wala na siya sa lahat ng stores. Wala na siya sa Steam, wala siya anywhere since it's delisted na kasi wala na daw yung rights.
Yeah.
Wala na license, 'di ba, yung mga providers to sell this game. So you have to do internet a way to through the internet archive para lang laruin tong game na to. We were supposed to talk about Mr. Wolverine and Deadpool, but then mas natuwa kami, no? Na nilaro namin yung Deadpool game. But last question na lang, no, para matapos tong episode na to. Notch, what are you looking forward to tomorrow?
Oh man! Grabe, ang dami. Sobrang dami. Sa Facebook, sobrang daming spoilers, man. And I've seen a few.
I've seen that's the picture ng post-credit scene, yung credits.
Yeah,
Kasi
yeah.
yung 'di ba? So I won't tell anyone kung sino yung basta may like cast na nilagay sa screen. So I'm excited to see those people. I think talamak na rin yung Bye Bye Bye. I think pinalabas na rin siya publicly, the Bye Bye Bye
Yeah,
soundtrack. I think yun yung mga hindi na, mga alam na ng tao.
But still, you know, ako, ang dami ko ina-expect kasi ang sabi nga nila, this was supposed to be to correct the Marvel Universe. Ang sabi ng mga nakanood, it won't correct it per se. Pero mas maraming nagsasabi na this would be the best Marvel movie that ever came out after Endgame.
Endgame. Yeah. Yan, excited na din ako kasi Marvel Jesus daw eh. So, I don't know. That will be something. I'm excited to see siguro yung mga other characters from the first Deadpool movie. Like sila Dopinder, di ba? So like was in the first movie, nasa second movie din siya. I'm excited to see him on the third movie to contribute other than being their taxi driver. Yun yung parang ano ko. Yung parang gusto kong makita. Ayan. Yeah. It's fun. We don't have to rely on the shows to know any context. Kasi di ba, if you di mo na kailangan panoorin yung series or any kind of series, just watch Deadpool 1 and 2. You'll be caught up to speed sa Deadpool 3.
Yeah.
I don't know on the Wolverine part on which Wolverine is this Wolverine. Malalaman natin.
I have an idea. I kind of have an idea, pero I'm hoping na mali ako.
Bakit?
Kasi sa comics kasi marami na silang pinakilalang Wolverine. Now, there have been a lot of issues that are separate from the main issues of Marvel. And there was one Wolverine. Should I say it? Ayoko sabihin. Baka kasi tama ako eh. Pero there was one Wolverine who lost everything.
Okay.
So, I'm hoping na it's not. I'm hoping mali ako. Pero regardless, kung mali man ako, tama ako, it's going to be great.
Well, it's going to be a great movie, right?
Yeah.
So guys, if you're available tomorrow, no, gusto nyo may makasama kayong mapanood, yung Deadpool Wolverine, pwede na kaming samahan. We'll be at Mega Mall bukas. Kung gusto nyo man sumabay, di ba? Wala man kayo kasamang panoorin yun, sabay tayo. Stanley, ikaw, baka pwede ka bukas. Malay mo, pwede ka bukas. Note tayo, Stanley. Ayan. Pero yun na guys, for on my end naman, again, I'm expecting Dopinder to be there. Ikaw, ano yung expect mo?
I'm expecting the reactions of the people.
Ha?
I'm expecting the reactions of the people watching.
Okay. So, Lala's expecting our reactions, no? So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Notch, alam ko kumakain ka na ng dinner mo. We'll see you guys on our next episode. Probably like a post-reaction. Or if it like in the intro ng episode na yun, then a reaction, and then we'll talk about some other stuff. Alright? So thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you next week.
Manonood kami
Bye-bye.
ng 2 mamaya.
Manonood kami ng 2 mamaya. Yun. Bye-bye.
Hell, you couldn't watch too.
Kain tayo, guys. Kain. Ayan. Again, we will see you next week. Notch, see you tomorrow. Trick, see you tomorrow. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hirap pindutin